Hey Ottawa, this is Annalee Rice with Royal LePage Performance Realty in Ottawa, Ontario. And today I'm going to bring you some sneak peek stats for the May real estate market here in Ottawa. All these stats are from June 1st, 2023, and are just mostly in chart form, and I'll just speak to the different charts. Just a note, for all of these stats are taken there for the City of Ottawa boundaries. First off, I just wanted to share some of the numbers. We're going to see the number of active listings as of June 1st was 1,618 across all property types, and the number of sales throughout May was 1,473, and that was a 24.3% increase from April. It's a pretty big jump. Next up, we're going to look at the average CDOM, which is the cumulative days on market for homes. That's for the ones that are listed today as of June 1st. And that was 55 days on market. And then of the homes that sold in May, the average days to sell was 32 days, and that was down from 37 from the month of April. This chart shows you the average sale price by property type. We've got the detached, semi-detached, and townhome, all freehold. And then you've got the condo, townhome, and condo apartment. You'll notice that there's a lot of volatility in the average sale price for the semi-detached homes, and that's simply because there's fewer semi-detached homes that sell every month, and they really vary depending on age and type and location. When we look month-to-month stats, just to zoom in a little bit, we see that on the whole, the prices were very flat this month from April to May, generally less than 2 or 3%. As I mentioned in the last one there, the semi-detached had a big drop in average sale price, down by about 10%, but last month it was up by 9.3%. So it's, again, very volatile for the semi-detached homes. These graphs here show you how close to the asking price or the original list price homes are selling that they're closing at. So notably, the red line is the 100%. So we can see that detached homes are on average still selling for about 99% of the original list price. Townhouses have creeped up. If you've been watching my weekly updates, I've been talking about how tight the townhome market is, and so we see that on average, townhomes are selling for the same as the list price. And condominiums, it's definitely creeping up, but it is a bit lower. It's at about 98.5% right now. So this graph here is a little bit more confusing, but what I did was break down, this is all for detached homes, but I broke down what's the breakdown of the listing prices and how many homes are listed in each price bracket. So we go by 100K brackets up to $1 million, and then it goes 200K brackets, and then above 2 million, it widens out the brackets. But the gray line, vertical line, the gray dashed line shows you roughly the average list price for the detached homes across the city, and it's 1.183, which seems high because if you look, most of the homes, the number of homes, that's the light blue bars, are to the left of that. So there's a lot more homes listed in the lower prices, but those higher prices really pull up the average list price. And then the average cumulative days on market that we have for homes that are currently listed is 57 for detached homes. And you can see that that's mostly in the more expensive homes. So the ones to the right of the graph, more expensive homes, are taking longer to sell. Therefore, they're pulling up the average of that cumulative days on market. Again, these are all for just the ones that are currently listed right now, not the ones that are sold. And we did look at those numbers earlier on in the charts. And these charts here are going to show us the months of inventory. And the definition for months of inventory, if you don't remember, is how many months would it take to sell the current number of homes that are actively listed if no more homes came on the market, and that's at the current sales rate. So right now, if no more detached homes came on the market, it would take a month and a half to sell all of the currently listed homes. Townhomes, that's been the tightest market we've seen over the last couple months there. It would take 1 month to sell the currently listed townhomes that are listed right now. And condominiums, this one has been dropping quite significantly. The number of condominiums selling has increased, and we see that right now it's 1.2 months of inventory for condominiums. Okay, so that was a sneak peek of the real estate stats and trends in the Ottawa real estate market for May 2023. And in just a few days, I'll have the official real estate board stats, and I'll be sharing those. If there's anything that you'd like to see or answers to questions that you'd like, please get in touch. My details are here, and follow along every week for my weekly update of the real estate stats in Ottawa.